Hey there. Hello, hello, hello. It is, what's today's date, babe? I mean, what is today?
Today is Thursday, February the 5th.
Oh, okay. Well, anyway, hi. If this is your first time, it's me, Chef Mar, and guess who I have in the kitchen? Sous Chef Rob. So, if you watched the live yesterday, Wednesday, I made a homemade cough syrup. Hey, sissy, how are you? We're going to just tag a few people and tell them we are tasting the syrup. Yes, we are. So I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. It is not as cold outside, so we hope that you are having a good day. So do me a favor, go ahead and share this out so that others will know that we are here getting ready to taste the syrup. I'm just tagging a few people here, and we're going to talk about this homemade syrup and see what it's hitting for. All right, so just go ahead and share. If this is your first time here, welcome. This is Chef Mar. Tag a few people you know that usually are in the kitchen. I always say you're an usher in the room, and the way that you can be an usher is by sharing. Okay, so let's do this. This was the syrup that we made yesterday. Yes, this was the syrup that we made yesterday. And we are just going to get a few people on. But here it is. Remember when I poured the syrup in, it was thick and make sure the top is on tight. But look, it's not as thick. It has some liquid to it. It's not thick and gooey. So we're going to strain this. Also, when I put the parchment paper on, which is not a requirement, but I like to precaution, make sure you put the lid back on. All right? So let's do this. Let's see. They say hello, Chef and Big Brother.
Hey, brother.
So we're taking this off. Ooh, let's smell it. Smell it, babe.
It smells wonderful.
He says it smells wonderful. All right, so you want to strain off all of these ingredients. Now, for precaution, let me turn you around here. All right, babe.
You want me to strain it?
Yes.
Would you like me to strain it?
Oh, the sous chef is going to strain. Wait, go slow now. Go slow. I'm going to hold it. Yes. You don't have to hold it high. Just, that's. Oh, God. I said don't hold it high. Baby. Oh, Jesus, help me.
It's going in, baby. It's going in.
So for those of you that don't know, sous chef is going to be joining me in the kitchen on Valentine's Eve. So, oh, Jesus. Pray for me, okay? If you want to have a nice dinner, whether it's Valentine's, or just your friends, it doesn't have to be
What is
somebody.
Valentine's?
Valentine's is for girls. I don't know what y'all would call it for men.
Oh, I got a name for that.
Oh, God, help us. Help us here today. You see this foolishness right here? Hey, Cindy, how are you? Valentine's Eve, February 13th, myself, Chef Mar, and Sous Chef Rob is going to be in the kitchen. We're doing a live Zoom cooking class. It is a paid class because you get my personal attention. We have a wonderful, easy, simple meal for you to enjoy. So if you would like to join the class, go on Facebook, and it's also on my story. Email me, and then I will email you the information once you pay via PayPal or Zelle, and then you'll get all the instructions. For you that have taken my class before, you know we have a ball in the kitchen, and this one right here, he keeps it spicy and alive, you know. So here it is, all of this goodness. Now somebody asked me, what do you do with the onions and garlic and cinnamon and all of that afterwards? I said, actually, you can eat the garlic, you can eat not the rosemary, you can eat the onions and the garlic. So that's up to you. That's up to you. We got a question here. Hey, will there be, he's my brother. He will be fine. That's the problem. He's your brother. The two of you are just alike. I'm your brother. Let me see.
Well,
Nafis said he was. Nafis, you don't need to learn how to cook, bro. You already know how to cook. Stop it. Get you and your wife. Sign up for the class. $25 for a couple, even if you're single. Bring somebody along. This is not about having a lover as your date or boyfriend as your date. It's about bring a friend, tell a friend, come on in the kitchen. We're going to do some good things. This is the homemade cough syrup. Sous Chef Rob is rinsing out the jar. I need that jar, sir, because we're going to pour it right back in here, but we're going to taste it. Hey! Is that Dr. Miller? Who is that? Hark, who's there? So yeah, sign up for the class. Register today, and I will send you the information. And here's the thing. When you get the information, you get the recipe, you get all the ingredients that you need. There are things that you can get from your local supermarket, so don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. All right.
okay.
All right, sweetie. Go ahead and pour it in here. Pour some of it in here, and then we'll taste it. I already have a cup of tea here. You know, purple is my favorite color. Royalty. Now, all of it, sweetie, we're going to taste of it.
Yeah.
Y'all pray that he follows directions.
Yeah, you said pour some in there.
Okay, wait. Enough for you to taste and enough for me to taste. All right? Oh, wait a minute. Wait. That's a little much. We're tasting. Okay, give me your spoon. You know I like a heavy spoon. Never mind. We'll do it. Come on, put that down. I got it.
Go.
Go. All right. On three. Wait.
Let's
cheers.
Let's go.
Wait. Dear Lord, we thank you for this cough syrup, homemade cough syrup, that we know what the ingredients are. They're not toxic. We can actually read the ingredients, because you can't read them on that bottle that you buy at the drugstore. You can't even pronounce them. But you can pronounce onions, garlic, cinnamon, rosemary, and honey. I bet you can pronounce that. So here it is. All right.
1, 2,
Amen.
3.
Wait a minute. Wait. Cheers. 1, 2, 3.
Excellent. This is so good.
Hey!
You might want to take this even if you don't have a cold.
Oh, wait a minute now. Wait a minute now. You got to remember, this is raw honey. So for those that are dealing with
Diabetes.
yes, that you want to make sure you be careful with this, because it is, even though it's organic raw honey, you want to, be careful with that. Make sure that you are not raising your glycemic index. Like I said yesterday, I am not a physician, but I do know that these work. Things what you do with the rag. This rag. He threw it in the trash. Y'all, everybody, point your hand this way. Come here, honey. Point your hand this way.
I got the trash.
Everybody, point your hand this way, because we're going to need much prayer on the 13th. Because if you know anybody that has watched him in the kitchen, it's always an adventure. But I am blessed to have this lovely man in my life. So y'all pray for me that we make it to Valentine's Eve, that he can be in it. Please pray for him. Pray for, let patience have its perfect work. Because that's what the word says. Let patience have its perfect work. Oh, Lord. All right.
Bye-bye.
Put the top on. Store it in the refrigerator.
And drink as much as you want.
He said, drink as much as you want. Please
Here's the rag, baby.
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you. That's right. We clean as we go. I did wash the spoon. I'm going to put a little bit in my tea. Look, you can add this to your tea. So let's do that and see. I'm going to add a teaspoon to my tea. And then to make sure that you use a nice clean, hand me paper towels, please. Make sure you use a clean, damp cloth and clean off the top of your jar. Yesterday, the question was asked, are there any questions? But yesterday the question was asked, why did we put it in the glass jar? Glass is non-porous. That means when you put things in plastic, it pulls off toxins and all the impurities that's in the plastic into what you're trying to consume to help you stay healthy. Even your food. My suggestion, just start switching out slowly. This is going to go in the refrigerator, and it should last for quite a long time. So here you are.
I have a question.
Yes.
Question.
Okay.
If you put more garlic in there, would that make it extra stronger?
You can put as many, good question, Sous Chef Rob. You can put as many cloves of garlic as you like. Even if I wanted to, I can just put more garlic in here and start the process all over to let it stay on the counter for 24 hours. Remove the garlic and onion. You can put a whole onion, a whole clove of garlic if you like, about 4 sprigs of rosemary, and you have the cinnamon. Also, if you do not have rosemary, you can get, hold on one second, let me see where my rosemary essential oil is. Yes. You can get rosemary essential oil. My suggestion is after you strain everything off, then add it to your syrup, stir it well. When you get ready to use it, just shake it really good, so make sure the oil is incorporated really well. So here's the benefit of having these oils. You might not have rosemary in your garden at this time. You might not have rosemary at the store. You're like, oh, I'm gonna run and get this, and you go to the store and you've done all of this and you don't have the rosemary. Doesn't mean that you can't make it. So if you need to know how to get this, I suggest that you do, because a lot of times we don't have parsley, we don't have basil, we don't have thyme, we don't have rosemary, we don't have lemon, but you can, because you can get it in a bottle. All right, so let's taste the tea. Let's taste the tea. I can't really taste it because
Talk about the flavor.
The flavor of
the cough syrup.
The cough syrup. The cough syrup was sweet. It wasn't. You would think with all the garlic and onion that it would have an off-putting taste, but did it taste bad? No.
You predominantly tasted the
honey. Yes. So
that's why it's about the garlic.
It's all about the garlic, all about those properties that help, like garlic, rosemary, the onions. Look, back in the day when you had a fever, they would cut an onion, slice it, put it on your feet, put a sock on it. Of course, you smell like a big onion bulb of onion and garlic, but guess what? It broke the fever. So if those things work then we need to incorporate those things again in our everyday life. Now, I could put a little more, maybe 2 in my tea, but my suggestion is just take it. Be careful, like I said, for those that are dealing with medical issues as far as raising your glycemic index. But actually, this is very, 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 very good to have. Let's see. I see some food alert, Mar. Make to examine my jars that are made from recyclable glass. I'm trying to understand what you're saying. They can contain foreign objects embedded in the... Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. I love the fact that I have somebody that worked in the food industry as far as... put your title in there, bruh. Because quality control, quality assurance. So that's good. Make sure that you examine your glasses very well. Thank you for that. See, that's why it's good to have people on here that talk. I love a talk to me church. I love a talk to me kitchen with knowledge. We not only cook, but we drop knowledge in Chef Mar's kitchen. So make sure you examine. Remember, I said yesterday, thoroughly, if you have to sterilize your jar, you can do that with hot water. Put the jars in hot water. Remove them with proper equipment. Don't go in there with your hands trying to take it out of hot water. Strain them, remove the hot water, and let them sit on the counter to air dry. Put it in. I have already done this with these, so that step I did not show you. Thanks, bro. That was really good. Quality. quality. All right. Potato, what? Kenyan? A potato on you. Or a potato on you. Yes. Okay. I got you. Yes. They will put an onion on your feet or a potato. I got you. I got you, girl. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
And how about our tot toddies? You know,
Tot
years ago.
toddies?
Tot toddies.
He said tot.
Toddies.
Toddies. He's speaking in another tongue. Hot toddies. Hot toddies.
I don't drink, but it would probably be good in a hot toddy.
Well, we can do it with cider.
Mm-hmm.
We have apple cider. That would have been really good to put in some apple
Yes.
cider. Yes. So you can just put it in your tea like a tot toddy.
Exactly. See?
A hot toddy. All right.
Bye.
So if you're just joining me, join me. I started to say Christmas Eve, Valentine's Eve for our Valentines. Bring a friend. You don't have to eat alone. You don't have to celebrate alone. I know it's a man-made holiday, but we ought to show love every day through the love of Christ. So that's what we try to exude here on this channel as well. So go ahead if you want to know more about it. Just email me. The email. Sis, can you put the email in it for me? mcoles10483@gmail.com. Go ahead and register. Once you pay the fee, it's $25 per couple. You don't have to be a couple through marriage or you're dating someone. Bring someone in your kitchen and have some fun, because that's what we're going to do. A very, very simple meal. Myself and Sous Chef Rob is going to be assisting me. Y'all start praying now. Turn down your plates and fast and pray that we get through this meal without any incident, because you never know what's going to happen in Chef Mark's kitchen when Sous Chef Rob is in here. All right? So the email is in, and I'm going to see if I can pin it. Let's see. Pin the comment. Yep. It's pinned in. I pinned the comment. Thanks, sis. Of my email, so you can go there and register. Once I see your email, I will send you the instructions for the meal that we are going to be preparing. Once I receive your payment, once again, we're going to have a wonderful time. So, and the Zoom link will be Zoom, and it will be live, and we're just going to have a good time, all right? Because caring is sharing. Please share this live, because caring is sharing. And remember to eat clean, cook clean, and most of all, live clean. We hope to see you in the kitchen.
Bye.
Bye. See ya. Make the syrup.